Question 9. What is the goal of A/B testing? Answer: it is a hypothesis testing for a randomized experiment with two variables A and B. The goal of A/B testing is to identify any changes to the web page to maximize or increase the outcome of interest. A/B testing is a fantastic method for figuring out the best online promotional and marketing strategies for your business. It can be used to test everything from website copy to sales emails to search ads. An example of this could be identifying the click-through rate for a banner ad.
Question 10. What is p-value? Answer: when you perform a hypothesis test in statistics, a p-value can help you determine the strength of your results. P-value is the minimum significance level at which you can reject the null hypothesis. The lower the p-value, the more likely you reject the null hypothesis.
Question 11. In any 15-minute interval, there is a 20% probability that you will see at least one shooting star. What is the probability that you see at least one shooting star in the period of an hour?
Question 12. How can you generate a random number between 1 to 7 with only a die? Answer: any die has 6 sides from 1 to 6. There is no way to get 7 equal outcomes from a single rolling of a die. If we roll the die twice and consider the event of 2 rolls, we now have 36 different outcomes. To get our 7 equal outcomes, we have to reduce this 36 to a number divisible by 7. We can thus consider only 35 outcomes and exclude the other one. A simple scenario can be to exclude the combination 6, 6, i.e., to roll the die again if 6 appears twice. All the remaining combinations from 1, 1, till 6, 5, can be divided into 7 parts of 5 each. This way all the 7 sets of outcomes are equally likely.